Staff type settings and staff registration. In the staff type settings, you will be able to create the different positions held by your employees. By clicking on the Add New Staff category, you will be able to enter the position title, example, operative, supervisor, manager, sales assistant, contract worker. If you need to edit the positions afterwards, you can click the edit button to make the changes. Also, you can remove these positions if they are no longer needed. From staff registration, you will be able to add staff members to your company. You will be able to enter all their personal information to this form, such as an hourly wage, a transportation allowance, the position they currently hold, and any other additional information in the notes. From the main group field, you will be able to assign the employee to an office. And from the subgroup field, you will be able to add additional locations if this employee works across multiple departments. Depending on how your company operates, and if you have fixed working hours for your employees, you can click on the Regular Shift tab and add the expected hours for this employee. We will cover this feature in a future video in this series.